Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP ProBook 440 G11 laptop driver. So open any browsers to type Google search box to like that, okay, model number and driver download. After that you can see support.hp.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver, okay, of HP all product. You can get a driver from this website, okay. So just right click to new tab and go to this lab, okay. If you can see, okay, then choose your operating system. If you're using Windows 10, so you select the 10, 11 to 11. Then this all require driver, but this is not required every time. Like BIOS driver, when you update the BIOS of your system, so you can download, others are not required. So basic driver, audio, chipset, graphic, keyboard and network. So suppose first audio, so you can select this. So all selected showing here, and all selected driver download just one click, okay. So first of all we have to select it, after then we can download it. Then extract driver chipset and try to this. Then graphic card, so try this NVIDIA almost plus 1 GB, okay. Then driver to camera and finger, so try to driver. And the network, so this is your LAN driver, and this is your Wi-Fi driver, and this is your Bluetooth driver, okay. So you can see your selected driver showing here, you just one click to download it, okay. This is downloading method. And then after the downloading, how to install in your system, so you just download file, this is setup file, one by one download it, and then just click to download, then yes, and then next, I accept, then next, I next. It will work in the background, so no worry about it. So guys, install one by one. If you are facing some issues, so please comment me, I will give you reward as soon as possible. And after you install the driver, you just restart your system and then please check it.